Welcome back to the Fanboy Cantina. Wanted to put together a quick video to cover the Child, the animatronic edition of the Child from Star Wars The Mandalorian. Retailing at $59.99, it comes out on December 1st of 2020. And as an animatronic, the ears move, the eyelids open and close. It comes with that Mandalorian necklace, that pendant, as 25 sound and motion combinations. So if you pat its head, it will make different reactions, and it can use the Force. If you lay it down, it will take a Force nap. Truly amazing stuff here, and it's going to sell out. It's already sold out on HasbroPulse.com, and it's also sold out on the Disney Store's website as well. But you can still, at least at the time of this video, pre-order it from other retail outlets. And here we are at EntertainmentEarth.com. Definitely worth spending the time to check out these pictures in a little bit more detail. There's also a video that they have on the site. Really cool toy. Anyways, you can go to entertainmentearth.com, at least again at the time of this video, and put in your pre-order. It is also available from other outlets like Dorkside Toys, a number of other toy retailers. Amazon also has it available on its website, at least at the time again of this video. There's a bunch of other toys that look fabulous and awesome that are coming out, and we'll cover this in a future video. So, what are you going to do? Are you going to pre-order? I'll tell you right now, as soon as I saw it, I went online, I found a retailer, and I placed my pre-order. I cannot wait. It is super cool looking. It's adorable. The Force Nap thing, it's awesome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This has been the Fanboy Cantina.